Dear students, now we are going to learn the fifth exercise in our second lesson. See the title. Vous posez des questions à votre grand-mère au sujet d'un son adolescent. You are asking some questions to your grandmother about her childhood days. Donnez ses réponses. So they are saying the answer. First question you are raising. Vous habitez-tu quand tu étais jeune? Where were you living in your young age? Habiter or était. Two verbs, they are already conjugated in imperfect. Okay. So here, when they are answer, you must remember, you must use imperfect. Okay. Because they are using in the question imperfect forms, imperfect tense they are using in the question. So even when you are answering the questions, you must use imperfect. So you are must talking here, something is happened in the past. So you must say some narrate. So, so the grandmother is saying, when I was young, I used to live in the countryside. When I was young, so use active verb. When I was young, second sentence is coming first, and imperfect form stem is at, j is the subject, so ending is ais. When I was young, I used to live in countryside. Habite, according to the ending j, ending is habite is the stem, and then ai is the ending, because imperfect remove ons and ending you must add it. Yes. When I was young, I lived in my countryside. So the young mother, the grandmother is replying the answer like this. You are raising the question to your grandmother, where you live. When you are young. When I was young, I lived in my countryside. So you have to present the answer à la campagne. Remaining things is in the question. Second one. Avec qui jouais-tu? Avec qui jouais-tu? With whom you are playing. Jouer is playing. So here it is present in imperfect. Jouer. So you must present the answer also in imperfect. I was playing with my friend. So I was played with my friend. யார் கூட விளையாண்டீங்க? To whom you played, like this. So je, you, je, ais you have to add, because imperfect rule ending according to the subject. Third one. Tu frère, tu sœur et toi. Travaillez-vous après l'école? Your brothers, your sisters, and you travel, that is working after the schools. Ask. So they are asking using the verb travailler. Imperfect form they are using. Ending you can check the IEZ. It is in the form of imperfect. Like this you can identify the given sentence in both type. So you mother grandmother is replying. Oui, yes, nous travaillons, we work après à l'école. So, travailler. So, according to the nous, you have to add the imperfect form. Vous, IEZ. When it is nous, IONS. Third question is easy way of answering. Fourth one. Que fais-tu le samedi soir? Que fais-tu le samedi soir? So what you are doing in Saturday evening? This faire is the verb. Doing. Saturday evening, what you are doing? Every Saturday, they are asking like this. Le samedi soir, Saturday evening, je vais visiter le musée avec my famille. Saturday evening, I visit the museum with my friend. Visit. According to the subject, you check and add it, because imperfect form you have to write Samthi swar. You can add according to the verb re, ais. Okay. In this visite, you can use fair. Fifth one, lise tui des romans. You used to read the any novels, use the novels. Lire is in imperfect form. So you must present the answer in imperfect. Grandmother is replying, Oui, j'ai des romans. I used to read some novels. Lire. Imperfect stem. Stem is new form of the present tense is lis, ons you must remove. According to the subject J, you add ending ais. Okay, that's all this.